Hey, are you a local business owner who feels like you're working two full-time jobs? One during the day actually doing the work for your customers, and then a whole other job at night trying to keep up with all the marketing and admin stuff? Well, you are definitely not alone. But what if I told you there's a way to get your evenings back? Today, we're going to talk about how artificial intelligence can become your new favorite employee, one that's super efficient and, believe it or not, really affordable.
You know the feeling, right? You've been on your feet all day. Maybe you've been fixing pipes, landscaping a yard, or painting a house. You are just completely wiped out, physically and mentally. And right when you think you can finally kick back and relax, it hits you. That mountain of emails, the social media posts you were supposed to write, and all those appointments you still need to schedule. It's a cycle that just never seems to end, and frankly, it's a recipe for burnout.
But what if there was a better way? What if you could somehow clone yourself and have that clone handle all the boring, repetitive tasks that are eating up your personal time? Well, in a way, you actually can. That's the real power of AI, and we're about to break down exactly how you can put it to work for your business. Look, let's be real for a second. You started your business because you're passionate about what you do. You're a true expert in your craft. But somewhere along the line, you probably realized you also have to be a part-time marketer, a scheduler, and a bookkeeper, and that's the stuff that really drains your energy and can steal the joy from being your own boss.
This right here, this basically shows the two different lives of a local business owner. During the day, you're the hero. You're out there solving your customers' problems. But after hours, you're chained to a desk, wrestling with all these tasks you never really signed up for. But what if you could have an assistant who takes care of all that after-hours work, so you can just focus on what you're truly great at? Well, that's exactly where AI steps in.
So let's talk about what AI really means for a local business. Come on, this isn't about robots taking over or anything like that. It's much simpler. It's about having a tireless, 24/7 assistant that can handle all the repetitive, time-sucking tasks that are holding you back. Just think of it as your secret weapon for growing your business and actually getting some work-life balance.
At its core, AI for your business is really just a set of smart, affordable tools that are designed to make your life a whole lot easier. They're here to help you save time, market your business way more effectively, and give your customers even better service. It's really that simple. No need to overcomplicate it. And this isn't some pie-in-the-sky futuristic idea. These are real concrete benefits you can get like today. Imagine this, writing a whole week's worth of social media posts in just 10 minutes. Or how about instantly replying to a potential customer before they even have a chance to call your competitor? That's the kind of game-changing impact we're talking about here. All right, feeling a little inspired? Ready to put your new AI assistant to work? Awesome. Let's dive into the essential toolkit, the stuff that's going to give you the biggest bang for your buck right from day one. First up, let's tackle writing. Yeah, I know, not everyone's favorite subject, but it's so crucial for getting new customers in the door. Think about your Google business profile. Posting regularly helps you rank higher in local searches, or a blog on your website, which can show everyone you're the go-to expert. And of course, emails are a great way to stay connected with your customers. AI writing assistants can help you do all of this in a tiny fraction of the time. And you know what the best part is? You don't have to be some kind of tech wizard to use these tools. You literally just talk to them, just like you would a human assistant. Look at this example here. You just tell the AI who you are, what you need, and who you're talking to. It really is that easy. So to get you started, here are two of my absolute favorites. ChatGPT is like having a creative brainstorming partner. It's amazing for whipping up catchy headlines and social media posts. Claude AI, on the other hand, is more like a research assistant. It's fantastic for writing longer, more detailed articles or emails.
Okay, now that you've got your words figured out, let's talk about making them look good. Because in the world we live in today, a picture is absolutely worth 1,000 words. High-quality graphics and videos make your business look way more professional, more trustworthy, and just more memorable. And the best part is, you don't need to go out and hire an expensive designer to create them anymore. Here are a few of my go-to tools for creating some really amazing visuals. Canva is this incredible all-in-one tool for creating everything from social media posts to business flyers. CapCut is a super easy video editor perfect for those quick, engaging videos for social media. And if you need a totally unique image, tools like DALL-E and Midjourney can create one for you just by you typing in what you want to see. It's wild.
All right, let's get into the unsung hero of your business, operations. This is all the behind-the-scenes stuff that keeps your business running smoothly. But it's also where so much time and energy just gets wasted. Just imagine a world where you don't have to play phone tag with customers just to book an appointment.
A world where you never forget a customer's name or what service you did for them last time. And a world where your follow-up emails just go out automatically, without you even having to think about it. That's the world of AI-powered operations.
So how do you make all that magic happen? Well, tools like Calendly can automate your scheduling so customers can book with you 24/7 whenever it's convenient for them. A CRM, which stands for Customer Relationship Management System, is like a digital brain for all your customer info. It helps you keep track of everything so you can give really personalized service. And then automation platforms like Zapier or Make.com, they're like the glue that holds it all together. They connect all your different apps so they can talk to each other and work together without you lifting a finger.
Okay, I know, that was a ton of tools, and you're probably thinking, whoa, where do I even begin? Don't worry, you absolutely do not need to use all of them at once. The key here is to start small and build a simple system that actually works for you. Let me show you how.
Here it is, your 5-tool starter pack for AI-powered success. With ChatGPT for your content, Canva for your visuals, a CRM to manage your customers, Calendly for scheduling, and Zapier to connect it all, you'll have a seriously powerful system that can automate a huge chunk of your admin work. This simple setup can be an absolute game changer for your business.
Now hold on. Before you rush off and start signing up for all these tools, there are a few really important things you need to keep in mind. Think of these as the golden rules for using AI in your business. They're going to help you blend the power of this technology with that personal touch that makes your business special in the first place.
Here are 4 super simple tips to help you get the most out of AI. Number 1, always review and add your personal touch to anything the AI creates. Number 2, make sure it still sounds like you. Your authentic voice is your most valuable marketing tool. 3, and this one is a biggie, never ever put sensitive customer information into a public AI tool. And finally, always remember that the goal here is to enhance your customer relationships, not replace them.
This quote right here really says it all, doesn't it? At the end of the day, people do business with people they know, like, and trust. AI is an amazing tool, but it's just no substitute for a genuine human connection.
So what's the real secret to success in this age of AI? Honestly, it's the same as it's always been. Provide incredible service, build strong relationships, and market yourself effectively. AI is simply a new and unbelievably powerful tool that can help you do all 3 of those things better, faster, and more efficiently than ever before.
So I want to leave you with this one final thought. What would you do with an extra 5, 10, or maybe even 15 hours every single week? Would you spend more time with your family, pick up a hobby you've been putting off, or maybe just finally get a good night's sleep? That's the real promise of AI. It's not just about growing your business, it's about getting your life back.